Want to improve your English speaking practice? In this video, learn 50 phrasal verbs for daily routine. Learn English and boost your English conversation skills. Wake up. Stop sleeping. Example: I wake up at 6 a.m. She wakes up early every day. Get up. Leave the bed. Example: get up and get ready. He gets up quickly. Turn off. Stop a device. Example: turn off the alarm. Please turn off the light. Turn on. Start a device. Example: turn on the fan. She turns on the TV. Brush up. Improve a skill. Example: I brush up my English daily. He brushes up his math skills. Wash up. Clean hands or face. Example: go wash up before eating. She washes up after playing. Put on. Wear clothes. Example: put on your uniform. He puts on his shoes. Take off. Remove clothes. Example: take off your jacket. She takes off her shoes. Go out. Leave home. Example: I go out for a walk. They go out in the evening. Come back. Return. Example: come back soon. He comes back late. Sit down. Take a seat. Example: sit down here. She sits down quietly. Stand up. Rise to feet. Example: stand up straight. He stands up quickly. Hurry up. Do quickly. Example: hurry up, we are late. She hurries up to finish work. Slow down. Reduce speed. Example: slow down while driving. He slows down the bike. Look for. Search. Example: I look for my keys. She looks for her book. Find out. Discover. Example: find out the answer. He finds out the truth. Pick up. Collect. Example: pick up your bag. I pick up my friend. Drop off. Leave someone or something. Example: drop off the kids at school. He drops off the parcel. Bring back. Return something. Example: bring back my book. She brings back the pen. Give back. Return something. Example: give back my money. He gives back the book. Take out. Remove something. Example: take out the trash. She takes out money. Put away. Keep in place. Example: put away your toys. He puts away his clothes. Clean up. Make clean. Example: clean up your room. She cleans up the kitchen. Set up. Arrange. Example: set up the table. He sets up the computer. Turn up. Increase volume. Example: turn up the music. She turns up the TV. Turn down. Decrease volume. Example: turn down the volume. He turns down the sound. Log in. Enter account. Example: log in to your account. She logs in daily. Log out. Exit account. Example: log out after use. He logs out safely. Check in. Register. Example: check in at the hotel. She checks in online. Check out. Leave. Inspect. Example: check out the room. He checks out at noon. Work out. Exercise. Example: I work out daily. She works out at gym. Eat out. Eat outside.
Example: we eat out on Sunday. They eat out often. Cut down. Reduce. Example: cut down sugar intake. He cuts down expenses. Wake up to. Realize. Example: wake up to reality. She wakes up to the truth. Go through. Review. Example: go through notes. He goes through emails. Carry on. Continue. Example: carry on your work. She carries on studying. Deal with. Handle. Example: deal with problems. He deals with stress. Fill out. Complete form. Example: fill out the form. She fills out details. Hand in. Submit. Example: hand in your homework. He hands in the report. Take up. Start hobby. Example: take up reading. She takes up dancing. Give up. Quit. Example: give up bad habits. He gives up smoking. Run out. Finish supply. Example: we run out of milk. She runs out of time. Look after. Take care. Example: look after kids. He looks after parents. Come across. Find by chance. Example: I come across a book. She comes across news. Turn back. Return. Example: turn back home. He turns back midway. Break down. Stop working. Example: the car breaks down. He breaks down crying. Wake up early. Rise early. Example: I wake up early daily. She wakes up early. Step out. Go outside. Example: step out for fresh air. He steps out often. Come in. Enter. Example: come in, please. She comes in quietly. Go back. Return. Example: go back home. He goes back to school.